Alright y'all, Ward's Toys here with another Pokemon open up, and Davey opening up Scarlet and Violet Palisade Evolve. I'm about to say Palisade Fate. Let's see. This has been a good set for me right here, and I've got a bunch of hits out of Palisade Evolved here. So I kind of like Palisade Evolved. Got some good cards out of it already. Here goes the QR code. Alright, let's see what we got. Looking for anything good. Yeah, anything good. See what we can get. Yep. That's a pretty cool looking one. Oh, we got a reverse Slowpoke. And we got another one of them Quackalers. And did we get anything? Nah. Another one of them Abominable Snow. And we had a Electric. Alright, y'all, no hitting this one here either, y'all. Maybe next time. Ward's Toys out of here.